Hello everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. So, what exactly is blockchain? It's a decentralized, distributed digital ledger system recording transactions across a network. Initially, it was the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but now its applications have expanded. Let's break down how blockchain works. Imagine a chain of blocks, each containing data, a unique hash, and the hash of the previous block. This ensures security because altering data changes the hash, signaling tampering. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and trustworthy. Key features include decentralization, immutability, and transparency. Unlike centralized databases, blockchain is distributed across a network of nodes. This reduces data manipulation risk and system failure. There are different types of blockchains: public, private, consortium, and hybrid. Blockchain has a wide range of applications from cryptocurrencies to supply chain management. In supply chain management, it enhances transparency and traceability. It also has potential in voting systems, offering transparent, tamper-proof records. Looking to the future, blockchain is set to become even more powerful. New consensus mechanisms like proof of stake will improve energy efficiency. In conclusion, blockchain is transforming industries by enhancing security, transparency, and efficiency. Thanks for watching. I am Vijay Kumar Bomidi, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Green Cross Chronicles for more tech insights.